So this is the Haitian Creole alphabet, and this is how it sounds like. A sounds like A in apple. It does not sound like A, but it sounds like A in apple. It's a firm sound. Sounds like in what. Now, it does not sound like in under, but it sounds like in what. It's a firm, abrupt sound that does not prolong. B sounds like B in boy. CH sounds like sh in share. Now, it does not sound like ch in chapter, and it does not sound like k in character, but it sounds like sh in share. D sounds like d in dog. A sounds like e in sit. Now, it does not sound like e in excellent, but it sounds like e in sit. E sounds like e in scent. Now, it does not sound like N in entrance, but it sounds like E in scent. It's a firm, abrupt sound that does not prolong. F sounds like F in face. G sounds like G in game. H sounds like H in happy. E sounds like E in feet. Now, it does not sound like E in it, but it sounds like E in feet. J sounds like J in vision. Now, it does not sound like J in juice, but it sounds like J in vision. So in this case, it's a more subtle sound. K sounds like K in kiss. L sounds like L in love. M sounds like M in mom. N sounds like N in nest. NJ works very similar to how NG works in English, particularly with that g sound at the end. O sounds like O in boat. Now, it does not sound like O, but it sounds like O. O sounds like O in or. So think of it like saying the word or, except you just remove the R. So it sounds like O. O sounds like O in don't. So here too, there's a subtle difference. It's not pronounced as on, and it's not pronounced as un, but it's pronounced as on. U sounds like u in boat. Here too, there's a subtle difference. It's not pronounced as u, but it's pronounced as u. Un sounds like un in moon. Here too, there's a small difference. So it's not pronounced as un, but it's pronounced as un. Air comes from the throat. So the name of the letter itself is air, just like the English word air. But unlike English, the letter air or R in Haitian Creole comes from the throat, whereas in English it comes from the lips, ra, ra. But in Creole it's from the throat, ra, ra. So an easy way to pronounce it is to pretend you are saying a like apple. So go ahead, a, and then pull, ra, 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 ra. And then from there you can easily say Haitian Creole words like rale, reme, rivière, and so on. S sounds like S in see. UE sounds like UE. So think of it like combining the English word you and the English word we, and then say it really fast. So go ahead, UE, and now say it even faster, UE, and that's it. V sounds like V in vein. W sounds like W in water. Y sounds like Y in yes. Z sounds like Z in zoo. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So definitely, for more videos like this, subscribe. Thanks for watching.